Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into the latest update from Apple, the first developer beta of watchOS 26. If you're excited about new features and improvements, you're in the right place. Stick around as we walk you through everything you need to know to get started at. Let's jump right in. 1. Introduction to watchOS 26 beta. Apple has just released the first developer beta of watchOS 26, giving developers and enthusiasts an early look at what's coming next for the Apple Watch. This beta version allows you to explore new features and provide feedback to Apple before the official release. 2. Requirements and compatibility. Before we begin, make sure your Apple Watch meets the compatibility requirements for watchOS 26 beta. Typically, you'll need an Apple Watch Series 3 or later paired with an iPhone running iOS 16 or later. 3. How to download and install watchOS 26 beta. Let's walk through the steps to download and install watchOS 26 beta. First, ensure your iPhone is running iOS 16 beta. Go to the Apple developer website and sign in with your developer account. Navigate to the download section and find watchOS 26 beta. Tap on download and follow the on-screen instructions to install the beta profile. Once the profile is installed, go to the Watch app on your iPhone. Navigate to General Software Update. You should see the option to download and install watchOS 26 beta. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. 4. New features and enhancements. Let's explore some of the exciting new features and enhancements in watchOS 26 beta. Improved Siri functionality and voice recognition. New watch faces and customization options. Enhanced health and fitness tracking capabilities. Performance improvements and bug fixes. 5. Important notes and considerations. Before you download watchOS 26 beta, keep these important considerations in mind. Beta software may contain bugs and issues, so it's not recommended for daily use on primary devices. Back up your Apple Watch and iPhone before installing beta software. Provide feedback to Apple through the Feedback Assistant app to help improve the final release. 6. Conclusion. And there you have it. That's how you can download and install the first developer beta of watchOS 26 on your Apple Watch. Stay tuned for more updates and tutorials on our channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.